Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fuzzboo. So today we're going to be building this cool racetrack garage. Let's get to building. Alright, so there you have it. There's the final build. So now what's cool is, so what we did in the intro, we shot the cars out of it. So if you have something like this, which is just a Hot Wheels launcher, you can put it right in one of these bays, and that's how you launch the car. If you have 4 of them, you can play with 3 other people and you can launch 4 cars together. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, so I think you'll like this next video. Check it out. I'll see you there. Bye.